action. Don't know if you can see me, whatever. Yeah, you can. Hi guys, it's Friday once again, and my dear wife Mia is on her 14-hour shift, which is a long one, and we've basically got a bit low on supplies. I've got a lot of my jobs done already this morning because I've been up since early doors. So I'm going to nip down Tesco now and get a few bits and bats. So I don't have to do it this evening. So I'll get my shoes and jacket and stuff on in a minute. It keeps going dark and light, and then I'll see you when I'm down there. I don't know if I really have time because it's raining. That's one of the problems. Yep, she's messaging me now. Speak of the devil. That's it. I've sent her a message. Do you know what she says? Did you vlog? Please do some vlogging. I'm trying. Anyway, so glass of water. Better take them with me actually because I've got to put my jacket on, aren't I? So what's she up to now? She's typing. Let me find my jacket. Put this one on it, keep me dry. Oh, another message. You know, constantly. And corned beef, please. So she needs some eggs and she wants some corned beef. Okay, that's her choice. She obviously likes corned beef. I don't, because I don't think it's healthy because there's a lot of fat and stuff in it. That's it. I must have turned the screen off. Let me just get my shoes. That's it. I'll get myself gone because time's running away on me. I've got to go and pick one of my Polarises up shortly. And the weather, it's raining horrible now. It's gone really cold today here with the rain. But anyway, right, I'm signing off in a minute. I'll see you very shortly, guys. Bye. That's it. I've been in Tesco. Oh my gosh, what's all this? That's it. You can see me now, can you? Yeah, I've been in Tesco. I got my stuff. God, it's wet and horrible outside. So anyway, I didn't vlog it because it was so busy. I didn't realise it was so busy on a Friday in there, but anyway, we've got a few supplies, so now we can head for home quietly. We can only go slowly. Miserable there. I have to go slowly because I don't want the camera to fall off because I'll be in trouble, won't I? Oh my word, she'll be telling me off. So as you can see, we're in Tesco. I'll just turn that off. You can see we're in Tesco. All the cars. There we go. Let's just put you back up there for a minute before we go down here. We'll be fine. That's it. Slowly. Just nice and quiet. No rushing. I suppose if I brake out, the camera will only go forwards and not backwards, won't it? So, yes, anyway, I have a reply to a comment that someone left, and it was, I'm not going to say exactly what they said, but what I will say is they've sort of commented that you need money to have a young, new wife, whatever. But I would actually beg to differ on that one, because when I met Mia, she knew everything about me as a person and what I did, and I didn't go into too much depth with my work and stuff, so it leaves the mind open, you see, not thinking about you know, money or anything like that, just like in Me for Me, which seemed to work very well and everything's gone. But this particular person seems to think, I don't know why, that you've got to have money, and when you've actually got them, you need to have the money to impress them, to keep them there. Well, all I would say is, my dear wife, she is not money orientated whatsoever. All she's interested in is being with me, being honest to each other, looking after each other, enjoying time together when we can and not working, and all the other things. So all I could really say regarding money is that money does not buy happiness. It will only give you material things, and material things do not make people fall in love with you. It makes them fall in love with you for what you can physically give them, but, you know, in material items, but that's it. So, you know, completely wrong. Maybe I'm rambling a little bit, maybe I'm driving as well, so I'm not concentrating quite as much as I probably should be. But anyway, we'll just see. My dear Mia publishes this, what I've just been blogging, that's entirely up to her. But end of the day, true love comes from within the heart and the mind, not from the pocket. That's all I have to say on the matter. So anyway, besides the point, we've been to Tesco, we've done the shopping. I'm on my way, driving on my way home now, in this horrible weather. It's quite cool today. Slight frost this morning before the rains come. I think that's what's made it cold. The morning it's never warm, and then the rains have come, and it's just not very pleasant now. So anyway, it is what it is. We'll get the log burner on later after we finish work. We've got to go back now. I've got lots of work to do. I need to go out and collect one of my Polaruses as well, because that's busy out today. I think they'll call me in the next couple of hours to say they're finished and it's ready for collection. Yeah, just a busy time of year for me, because obviously I have my machines which is out on hire, still busy with the trailers. And I'm so much would like the trailers to quieten down now, so I can physically get back and start doing more work on the Range Rover. So I know the Range Rover is more of a hobby than anything else. It's not a business thing, it's just a hobby. But I so much want to get it done and finished, so it's like a brand new car again, and I can just enjoy, sit back and enjoy all my hard work. When the drier weather comes, we'll be able to take it out, because I certainly won't take it out in the rain, because I wanted to stay looking new. Just looking forward to it. But, to be honest, I think it could be another 6 months before I really get stuck into it again, but we'll see, something will happen, I'm sure. May go quiet before Christmas. That was lucky. Luckily I caught you. Oh, you're still working as well. I'm in trouble now. Should have seen that. Uh oh. John's in trouble. Anyway, it's fine. Working. Still recording. Sorry, darling. Wasn't me. Anyway, I'm going. Bye bye. That's it. We're back home now. I shall bring the shopping in when I get this camera set. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Right. juice. She needs a juice, does this girl. Oh, I have a thing anyway, I've got some more now. She likes her orange juice, so keep her at it. That's it. Doing good. Mushrooms. Not mushroom left in there. Right, what's that? Sausages. I got sausages because I had no sausages. We've had no sausages for a long time. These are my hand warmers. You open them and the air activates them and they get nice and hot. You put one in each pocket for your hands. And also, these ones you put in your boots to keep your feet and toes warm. Brilliant. Especially in the cold winter days when I'm out with the dogs all day. Really good. Yep. More porky. That's it. Chicken burgers. More ham. We run out of ham. We haven't got it. Yeah, we cooked the last one yesterday. That's that. That way. That way. That's that one. I don't go blow by blow like my dear wife does. Running inventory. It's just a case of get on with it. And that's it. Get it all there. Buns. Oh, silence. It's always shouting at me this thing. Okay. We have bananas, many bananas. Love bananas. And she requested eggs and corned beef, and that's what she has. So it's there. Oh, okay, let's put them there then. We're looking a bit safe. Nice cauliflower. Probably already got no, we haven't actually, so that's good. Yep. What else? Oh, pasties. What's that? Right, put the bags away. Got my son working with me today. He's doing his day off, so he's come to earn a bit of extra money. So he's busy welding some trailers for me. He's very good at it. So I've been welding all week. I'm just a bit tired of it. So that's it. We've got it. That's it. Excellento. Let's check all these over here. That's it. Goodo. Oh yeah. I got her some peanut butter. She said she wanted peanut butter, so she's got some now. She'll love it. She likes it on a bread or toast in the morning. So anyway, right, I'm going to sign off guys because I need to go and see what my son's doing and probably take him some coffee as well. Okay, right, bye for now.
The next day.
Okay, you're leaving me again.
Yeah, I did do a little bit of vlogging.
Did you now? I haven't had the time to check it.
You'll shout at me when you ever see it.
Why? What you been doing?
Shout at me later. I'm not telling you.
Okay, bye.
See whether you can tell or not. Okay.
I love you. Bye. Take care. Enjoy your day.
Lock the dogs in.
Okay. I'll take them out later. He's going shooting. Shooting na naman. Kasama ng kaibigan niya. Niyaya niya ako pero I'm not going kasi tingnan niyo. Ay, kanina. Umuulan kanina. Are you ready to see my face? 5 degrees? Oh, it's cold. So are you ready to see my face? This is me. Good morning. Time here is 12 o'clock. Uy, hindi na pala good morning. Did I say good morning before? Good afternoon na pala. So ito yung mukha ko. Wala akong trabaho ngayon. Kaya ayun. Bye! Weekend ngayon. So, you know, chill lang yung lola nyo kasi yesterday Nag 14 hours ako. Yun na. Umalis na si Mr. So, I already have my breakfast slash dinner. So, nag-corn beef ako. Hindi ko naubos yung corn beef kasi sobrang dami. Uy, kailangan ko na itong kainin itong pomegranate ko eh. Kasi, ano na, nagda-dry na yung skin niya, which is the indication of getting bad. Yan. Kailangan na siyang hiwain. Maglaba muna tayo ng uniform. Yung uniform ko, meron siyang ball pen. Nalagyan siya ng ball pen ay. Yan, maliit lang, sobrang liit, pero makikita talaga siya. Hindi naman siguro makita sa camera. Yan, ito yan. Yan. I don't know if makukuha ba siya, pero well try. Lalagyan ko siya ng fairy liquid. At iba-brush natin. Not bad mga palangga. Nawala na yung ball pen. Wala na. Hindi naman pala malala. Si Jan, wala pa rin dito si Jan. Hindi pa nakauwi. Palabasin natin yung mga alaga natin. In fairness ay maginawa yung kahit sa bahay, nakifeel ko na malamig. Kukunin ko muna yung susi ko, nasa bag. So, babalikan ko kayo. I got the keys. Hindi ko pa talaga nakikita yung vlog ni Mr. Kasi sabi niya, nag-vlog daw siya kahapon. Pero yun nga, hindi ko pa siya na-check. Hello, girls. Mommy is here. Come on now. Pipa, come out. Come on. She's trying to pick the rock. Sobrang liit kasi ng bato. Kaya she's struggling. You can do it, girl. That's it. Well done. Well done. Come on, have a plea. You need to do your business as well. Come on, you go in the paddock. You go to the paddock. Come on now. You too, you need to do your business. You go there. You go there to the paddock. Normally kasi dito sila naglalaro. And then they will do their business. Pero parang hindi nila kailangang umihi or magpo. Look at you, Pipa, PB. Hindi talaga nila kailangan magpo or magpi. Pipa! Oh my God! Hey, don't! Spit it out, Pipa! Hala, uy, natatakot ako kay Pipa ay kasi may bato siya at sobrang liit ng bato. At ayaw ko malunok niya at ma-choke siya. Pipa, spit it out, sweetheart! Oh my gosh, this girl. Naku naman tong si Pipa. Uy. Anyway, nagbabasa ako ng mga comment kanina. May nabasa ako na nagtatanong siya saan daw yung mga ex-wife ni Jan. Nasagot ko na to sa mga previous vlog ko pero hindi ko lang maalala kung kailan ko siya nasagot. Pero yeah, so if you're curious kung nasaan yung asawa ni Jan, kasi if nanonood kayo sa mga previous vlog ko, ako yung third asawa ni Jan. So yung unang asawa ni Jan, nandito pa din siya sa UK. Nakikita pa din sila sa anak ni Jan kasi yung first wife niya, meron silang isang anak. At yung second na asawa ni Jan, She's a doctor, bigatin siya, nandoon na siya sa Australia. So, yun. Yun, at yung third wife ni Jan, nandito sa UK. Nandito. So, yun yung kasagutan ko sa tanong mo. Yung first wife ni Jan, hindi na sila nagkikita ni Jan, pero yung anak niya, they are still in contact. Close sila. Yeah, Pipa? What are you looking, ha? Let's go in here. Tingnan niyo, oh, kailangan ko yung walisin ay lang, laki ng ano ko, ng chives. Sobrang healthy ng chives na to. Hindi pa din namin to napuputol ay. Hindi ko alam kung kailan. It's so weird to be in here. This is the front room. Hindi siguro makikita sa camera. Nakikita ba? Para kasing may reflection sa glass. Yan. Sana ba yung mga girls? Umikot lang tayo ba? Para may ma-vlog tayo. Papasensyahan nyo na, uy. Ito lang talaga. Ito tayo. Tomorrow, we need to clean the greenhouse. We need to clear. Oh my. The ground is so wet. Have a look. Nandito ako, ha. Nandyan. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Sobrang wet niya. Oh dear. Come on, Pipa. Oh, it's nice and warm here. Whew. This is very nice inside. Warm. Very warm. Hala, yung pineapple ko. Nag-survive talaga yung pineapple ko ay. Hindi ko alam kung kailan siya magkaka-fruit, pero we'll see. We'll see talaga kung magkaka-fruit ba siya or hindi. Mag-exercise tayo. Come on, Pipa. Join mommy. Are you scared? Come here. Baby. Nakikita niyo ba kanina si Pipa? Parang nawiwerduhan si Pipa kung ano yung ginagawa ko kanina. Ay, Pipa, no? You're making mommy dirty. I'm fresh. Right. Let's go inside, girls. And we need to light the fire. Come on now. Come on. Come on now, sweetheart. This way. Kukuha tayo ng mga maliliit na kahoy to start a fire. Wala naman tayong maliliit, uy. Malalaki nila. Ito, pwede ito, mga ganito. Ay, basa sila. Basa man, uy. Basa talaga. Right. Well, pwede na siguro to. This is not ideal size, pero pwede na siguro yan. And let's just take few barks. Yan. Kunin rin natin to. Dadalhin natin to. Naku, how can I do this? There you go. For tonight's tea, we will have sausage and baked potatoes. There.